Introducing the TravlFi Journey1, your 4G LTE hotspot for staying connected on the go. In this video, we're going to walk through the unboxing, the setup, and the activation process. Let's take a look at what you get inside the box. First off, you're going to find a compact carrying case for easy travel, your quick start guide, USB-C charging cable, a carabiner, and the Journey1 hotspot itself. The Journey1 is designed for ease and portability, 4G LTE multi-network connectivity, a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 10 hours, connects up to 5 devices at once, and offers simple pay-as-you-go data plans with no contracts or commitments. Before you can start browsing or streaming, you'll need to activate your data plan. There's 2 ways to activate the Journey1. First, you can call our support team, available 7 days a week, or you can scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. Once activated, the device will be automatically connected to the strongest network in the area, and you're ready to go. To activate your device, scan the QR code on the back. Once at the TravlFi portal, if you already have a username, you can enter it here. Otherwise, go and register a new account. Enter your details, hit register. After you scan your QR code, your device serial number will be entered. Then go ahead and pick your TravlFi data plan. Enter your payment information, agree to the terms and conditions, and hit activate your device. Now that your device is activated, let's power on the TravlFi Journey1. You're going to press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Once all 3 lights have turned white, you're ready to connect to the internet. On the back of the device, you'll find the network name and the password. Use this information to connect to your device. If you have any issues with the device, you can try moving to a window to get a better reception, or try rebooting your device. If you run into any other issues, reach out to our call center, or you can email us at support@travlfi.com.